Let me ask you something quietly. Have you ever felt light, even though nothing around you changed? No pressure, no fear, just a deep breath and relief. What if I tell you Hindi has a word that captures this exact feeling? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Shaheda Education Adventure. I'm your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 4 our 60-day Hindi vocabulary confident journey. Here, you don't memorize words. You feel them, use them, and truly own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Hindi word. And at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style Hindi sentences showing how this word is used naturally. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is mukt. Repeat after me. Mukt. Now you say it. Mukt doesn't only mean something costs no money. You can be free from fear, free from pressure, free to choose, free to be yourself. When you say mukt, people don't hear grammar, they feel relief. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a Hindi vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments depending on the platform you are using. For learners who want a deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Hindi vocabulary program. Short focus sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structure, guidance, and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Countless students have already changed their life with this method. Now here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use mukt. He was freed from all his worries. वो अपनी सभी चिंताओं से मुक्त हो गया. We want to make the world free of poverty. हम दुनिया को गरीबी से मुक्त करना चाहते हैं. That's it. One word, but now it carries meaning. Now, this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using mukt. Then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Hindi course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 4. Tomorrow, day 5, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Follow the journey. Stay consistent with Shaheda Education Adventure. One world of knowledge. Your adventure to the best education in the world.